Hello everyone, welcome to Asteroid Flyby. Folks, we got us some momentous clouds. Look at that. See how they're like cotton balls? See there? See, look at that. Hail clouds. I never seen those as a kid. Look at the blue in the clouds. See there? Some people say that's from the blue Kachina. Look at this. I've been seeing the momentous clouds in the sky for the last hour and a half. Look at that storm right there. That's a storm down in there. Look at that. I've seen yellow clouds, purple clouds, green clouds, and red, pink. I've seen about everything today. I've seen a cloud. They call it the, storm chasers call it the beaver tail. I seen one of them. Then I seen clipper clouds that look like scales. I seen them a little while ago. Look at that. Some say this here's like the bottom atmosphere of Uri. I mean, yeah. Dropped my sunglasses. Ugh. I just had to get something to eat real quick. Man, I was starving Marvin today. Haven't ate all day. Just seen lightning over there in the south, right there. And I helped my daughter. She got her a house. Her fiance got a house and had to have a roof put on. So finished that. We finished that up today. A friend of mine named Tim, he did the nailing. You know, I didn't feel like helping, but I did anyway. They needed the help, so. I hate roofing. We had to do a tear off too. Look at that. More there. Look at the detail in these clouds. I mean, just look. You there? Look at that. Here, let me darken the screen. I guarantee we'll see it a lot better if I darken it. Let's see here. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like it's alive, don't it? It's alive. Look at that. Look how weird that is. But beautiful at the same time. Look at that. Okay, I'm not zoomed in anymore. There. So, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look at the blue in this, all this. Jeez, oh, Pates. A little bit of green over here. Now they're calling for like 2-inch hail today, this evening here. Tonight. Well, later on tonight, anyway. Look at that, man. That is just unreal. Now, let me get out these wires. There we go. Now it looks cool. Nibiru Planet X. Or Planet X Nibiru. Whichever. It's got many names. Look at that, man. That is awesome. Look right there. You see that dark spheric circle right there? That's what I'm talking about. Some say this is the bottom atmosphere of one of the planets. That's, you know, incoming. Because they said we'll see these. I've only seen these a few times. It's not something I see a lot of. Look at this. That is just unreal. Look at that. Wow. I don't understand it though. We don't have hail. You know how like when it hails close by, you can like, the temperature drops like 10 to 15 degrees? Well, it ain't doing that. But if you look right here. See that big dark spheric shape? Look at that. You can see curvature too. Not on the clouds, but on the darkness back there. Look at this. Would mean there's a large object above us, but its atmosphere is definitely mixing with ours now, which will also create tornadic weather. You know, because it's a different atmosphere. There's the east. We was just looking west. So, you know, it's all overhead. Right up above me, see? Look at that. It's just unreal. Look, there's more right there. See it? This is unreal, folks. I tell you what, wait till stuff starts happening. The weather's going to get so bad, it's going to be storms man has never seen before. Just like Revelation tells us. You know, Jesus said it, it's going to happen. You know, so I'm telling you, Jesus said it, it's real. It's definitely going to happen. Look here. Hey there, look at that. This is just unreal. Sun's already gone. It's supposed to be dark right now, to be honest. Because we're about, I think we're at almost 9:30 now. We're like maybe a couple minutes before 9:30 here in southern Ohio. You know, Rapture's going to take place, folks, and you know, after Rapture will be the second coming, Armageddon. There'll be meteors flying. You know, 1/3 of land will be destroyed or burned up, should I say. 1/3 of land. From what I understand, North and South America makes up for 1/3 of Earth's crusts, you know, of land. So, I don't know, folks. But when the pole shift happens, from what I understand, it's going to shift 1,800 miles in 6 hours. So, if you do the math, that's approximately 300-mile-an-hour winds, excuse me, on open ocean. You know, 250 on land because you got buildings, you got mountains, hills. So I think as long as you're in a sturdy building, you can withstand the wind, if that's correct. You know, 1,800-mile shift in 6 hours. So I don't know though. It just, man, don't know what's going to happen. North Pole will be at the 40-degree mark in about a week and a half. So no one knows what's going to happen. They're thinking it's going to flip. The pole shift will happen at the 40-degree mark. So a lot of people think that. I think it's going to continue to move on, because I think around the 43, 44 mark, see that lightning, is when it's going to happen. That's kind of what I think. I'm trying to catch the lightning here. So, you know, scientists and physicists don't even know why the poles are moving like they are. It's not the movement that's moving right now. That's not what's going to get us. I believe that is why we have cooler temperatures. You know, they say the earth has heated up. Well, not here in Ohio. Here in Ohio, temperatures are way down. 10, 15 below normal. And it's like that all the time. You know, we're going to be looking at 58 degrees overnight. End of June. I've never seen it 58 that late in the year. I've never seen it. But anyway, it's not the shifting that's going to get us now. The Earth will wobble, yeah, and which is what it's doing, wobbling like a drunkard, just like Revelation tells us. It's when the poles snap, it's when the pole snaps back. That's going to be a hard pole shift. That's going to be the problem. I mean, right now, I mean, we just went through the jet stream moving from east to west. Storms coming in from the east. And it was like that for about a week, week and a half. So that's not right. It's supposed to be from west to east, not east to west. So even the jet stream is messed up now, if there's even a jet stream. Supposedly they said they can move the jet stream. I mean, they manipulate the weather. They control the weather. They cloud seed. Chemtrail, that's cloud seeding. Then they have HARP, the ionosphere heaters. Last I knew, it was about 4 years ago, and there was about 14 to 16 HARPs, HARP that they've been using up in the ionosphere. Now look up something called starshade. Starshade or sunshade, it's the same thing, okay? Make sure you look it up, starshade or sunshade. That, when you look up in the sky and you see a white sun with a white circle around it, or blue ring around it, that is starshade. That's when the sun looks like an LED light bulb. That's when starshade is happening. Last I knew, they had 12 to over a dozen of those in working order. So, I don't know, folks. We just got to hang tight and accept Jesus. He's the only way out of this. He's the only way any of us will be saved and spared. So, you might want to get your life right. Get your mind right. Get your heart right. Actually, if you get your mind right, your heart will follow. That's just the way it happens. So, accept Jesus and let go, let God. Lay it all down to Him. He'll help you. I guarantee it. So, all right, folks. Well, I'm going to end this now, and I do thank you for watching Asteroid Flyby. I'm Roger Paul, Southern Ohio. And God bless you, everybody. Love y'all.